I'm delighted to present to the Senate for consideration the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alteration State Police Bill 2026, which seeks to amend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, to create a constitutional pathway for the establishment of state police services in Nigeria. This bill builds on the significant work already done in this regard by the House of Representatives and the Senate, and incorporates additional safeguards to ensure that the creation of a dual policing structure to address our nation's evolving national security challenges could be achieved quickly and effectively to the benefit of all Nigerians. Every community knows the bad eggs within the communities. So by the time you look and you see faces that are not from your community, you will know when foreigners infiltrate Nigeria, whether from Cameroon, from Chad, from Niger, or Togo, or anywhere, you definitely know. And then you will alert the necessary security services so that they can act proactively instead of reactively. We'll be proactive in action instead of reacting after the event has been done. I sympathize with the families of those who are still in captivity, and particularly our dear children who are suffering the pains of the current insurgency. But with the actions, combined actions of the executive and the legislature, from the House of Representatives to the Senate, we see hope in the horizon, that the devil you see today, you will soon see them no more. So I believe